Been testing new materials for the prosthetics. He asked me to review his work if I had time. May as well dig in now.
How many lab fires have we seen now, Otto? 3? 4?
That's how you know we're progressing. Out of the ashes of failure, great science.
Don't think Dr. Octavius' optimism has ever been shaken.